Hello, smart designers. Welcome on stitchingmall.com. In today's video, we'll talk about all the models that Usha Janome has in India and what all models are popular, hot selling, not so doing good, maybe for advanced stitching pros, and maybe for the beginners, for home use, and one upcoming serger also. So these are different models, who should go for which model, and some of these models may be discontinued in the market. You may not get them anywhere, but still they are in the catalog of Usha Janome. So let's check out all these models and let's find out which is the best machine for you in India. So here these are some of the machine models from Usha Janome. These are some of the basic. So here we'll categorize these machines. Like one is beginner home use. Second is home use medium level. Like you are neither a beginner nor a pro nor a professional. So you are a beginner home use sewing lover. And third is for professionals, or maybe you are a fashion design student, or you want to open a boutique. So these are three categories we discuss these machines in. Okay, so let's talk about the beginner level Usha Janome machines first, and what all are the features and what all you may expect from these machines. In Usha Jerome Stitch Queen, you get non-stitch functions. What do you mean by stitch functions? Stitch functions means everything that you can do with your sewing machines. That could be like straight stitching, zigzag stitching, roll hemming, picot, zipper, piping, and beading. All these functions, different type of functions, these are called stitch functions. So here in all these machines, what I'm showing you, you will get zigzag stitching. So it is semi zigzag stitching, flat pad, like a flat stitching machine, and auto tripping bobbin winder. In all these machines you will get auto tripping bobbin winder. That means that you don't have to hassle with bobbin winding. Your machine will, like, you can wind the thread in the bobbin in seconds. Okay, then snap on pressure foot and pressure adjuster. You can adjust the pressure of the thread and pressure foot. Length selector, width and length selector you get in all the machines. Single touch reverse stitch you get in all the Usha Janome sewing machines. In fact, all the automatic machines, every sewing machine has that, and can operate through foot treadle. Motor can also be installed for operation through foot regulator. So this thing makes it easier for you to understand that you can use a motor or foot treader to use with this stitch queen. So this is kind of an old model. Right now, this is not one of the popular ones. So next one is this Fab Barbie. It's got 21 stitch functions and all the basic your specialized foot accessories free with the machine. And of course the USP of this machine is the look, that Barbie doll look. So if you want to give to your to any girl in the family, or to your own daughter, any girl in your relatives, friends, family, this is the machine, go-to machine. If a girl is fond of stitching, then you can give this machine. This is a very nice machine, and generally girls from age 10 to 14 would love this machine. So you can see, if it makes long term investment or long term usage, if your pocket allows, then you go for this machine. Otherwise, the minus point is that generally girls after 14 years, they outgrow this Barbie fantasy, and then the machine may not be such a huge craze for them. One of the most popular machine is Dream Stitch, and in India, like 550 is stitching, the basic stitching functions, 550 stitching speed. Dream Stitch is good one. Now you may ask why it is 14 stitch functions. Generally it is said 7 stitches. So 7 is inbuilt stitches, but you can do 14 stitch functions as I explained earlier. So this is one of the hot selling and popular machines. Comes in the range of 9,400 something right now. So maybe you can check the latest price on stitchingmall.com, or maybe I'll give the link in the description. So this is one of easy to use, beginner friendly, good sewing machine that you can go for even if you never used a sewing machine. And Marvella also. See Marvella, if you look at Dream Stitch, see this is Dream Stitch and this is Marvella. So they are basically the differences between the color. One is pink, one is blue. So Marvella is not that much popular as Dream Stitch is, maybe because of the color and the elegant look. And the pink is very pinky. So maybe that could be a reason that otherwise they are the same machines. So you can go for any of them. Now there is Stella with 14 stitch functions, again kind of dream stitch, but still it is not as popular. Comes with the same similar uh, features that your dream stitch comes with. And of course you get all this sewing light, that light here, and auto winder, auto tipping bobbin winder, 4-step buttonhole. These are the basic machines, the beginner level machines. So it's not like if you go for Dream Stage, then Marvella is not good or Stella is not good. These machines are also good. Stella gives you 700, about 700 stitching speed more than the Dream Stage. So after Stella, where you can go for Allure also. So Allure has two things, two versions. One is Allure Deluxe. So here you get 21 stitch functions, automatic needle threader. So all of you who have problem with eye size, or you find it difficult to thread the needle, then automatic needle threader is one of the main features that come in that medium range sewing machines. So with Allure Deluxe, Wonder Stitch, these machines come in the middle range, and the range starts from like 13,000 to 15,000, within this range. So you'll get these machines within this range, and here it comes with more stitching functions, and of course better speed, like about 860 stitching per minute speed you get with these machines. Then one of the most popular sewing machine is Wonder Stitch, that comes with 21 stitch functions and with like automatic needle threader, built-in light, drop feed for embroidery. So with all these machines, even with Dream Stitch also, you can do embroidery with better, like the more advanced the model, the stitch function speed basically increases and the design is more user friendly. So here Excella Deluxe, in one of the reviews earlier, I had explained that XLR Deluxe is also one version of Wonder Stitch. So with Wonder Stitch, you get that free cover and like dust cover and some of the kit and everything. But with Excella, you may not get those things. But otherwise, they are kind of a twin machines that you can go for. And then yes, this Wonder Stitch plus also you get 36 stitch functions. So buttonhole, like of course the look and the stitch functions, the prices also increase. And then Usha Janome is also launching one Mystique, that is a full aluminum die-cast full body and color coded stitching reference chart for pattern selector. So this is the machine that is heavier with more. So this is also not very popular machine, but yes, this model also exists in the market. And then I have this Stitch Magic with 57 stitch functions. It is this one. that I have behind me, and I have already also shown the tutorials and how to use this machine. And seeing those, watching those tutorials, you'll get an idea how to use any kind of automatic sewing machine. Okay, so this is Stitch Magic, a beautiful machine, and of course the fully, a good finishing, professional likes finishing, and a nice interface. So this is in Usha Janome automatic machine. The highest level of model that they have in offer, it is this machine. So after this, what they have is they have some advanced machines that is for stitching lovers or fashion design professionals. So this is called Dream Maker series. Here you have computerized sewing machine. So one of the question that I received recently, that was also that lady had Chuki machine, that is heavy duty umbrella machine, and then that lady had automatic machine also. She wanted to buy one more machine, and she wanted to know from me whether I should suggest one computerized machine. So yes, you may go for computerized machine if you have a boutique, if you have one spare machine. So you can use your computerized machine for designing, basically for designing rather than stitching. Okay, so here you have in a computerized machine, basically you have a memory card where you can save your design, and you can copy those machines like designs, like you can make those designs again and again on any fabric. And you also have that start stop button for hands free operation, like without even using your hands, without much manual operation, you can use the machine. So this is your Sew Magic, that is a computerized machine. And they have a design craft. This is also a computerized sewing machine with 50 inbuilt stitches. So here they have backlit LCD screen. So one of the plus point about computerized machine is they have this screen, of course rotary hook, and a memory card you have for saving the design, one touch reverse button you get with all those machine, and three one-stop button holes, and of course you get more functions with better price and better interface. So this is Quilt Magic. If you are fond of making quilts, like those padded bed sheets, cushion covers, and all those, even for commercial purpose, you want to make things, then this is Quilt Magic for you. This is also a computerized machine, so 300 inbuilt stitches. So quilting set is included with this machine, and maximum stitching width is 7 mm. So that is one of the plus point. And here they have one of the hot selling Dreammaker i20. This is again a computerized machine. This is also for the boutiques or those people who love stitching. They are into stitching like anything. So here you have 120 designs, inbuilt stitches. So all the plus points of the computerized machines, like memory card and design saving your time, of course, and full on experience of being a fashion maker. And these are some of the different machines. And besides these, Usha Janome also planned for this serger. Now, what is a serger? Serger is, of course, if you are into stitching, you are into fashion designing, serger is for that finishing the frayed sides of your fabric. So when you make any dresses, you have you interlock or overcast the sides of your dress. Of course, with automatic sewing machines, you can use zigzag stitch to overcast the or overlock the sides. But serging is much better. Let me know in the comment section if this video is helpful for you. Take care, happy stitching. See you in the next video.